Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You should not try to hide malicious activity. Instead, start by maximizing lawful privacy. Choose a vetted, paid provider with audits and a strict no-logs promise so you reduce metadata retention. Once chosen, enable DNS and IPv6 leak protection and verify the client's kill switch. Those prevent accidental exposure. Make sure to update both device OS and the VPN app regularly. Updates patch weaknesses that can cause detectable leaks. Doing this builds strong, responsible privacy without evasion. You want a connection that resists accidental disclosure while staying within legal bounds. Use modern secure protocols such as WireGuard or OpenVPN with current cipher suites to reduce fingerprintable quirks. Once done, enable multi-hop for sensitive sessions or use split tunnel for selective privacy, but only when necessary. Overuse can cause instability. Also audit app permissions and remove apps that access networks unnecessarily. Fewer active services means fewer distinguishing signals. Make sure to test connections and finish by verifying behavior rather than chasing undetectability. You should run legitimate leak tests and compare results to prior baselines so you spot regressions. Consistency is the goal. Protect your VPN account with two-factor authentication and unique passwords so attackers cannot impersonate you. If something goes wrong, document the issue, check client logs, then contact provider support for corrective steps. This approach solves exposure problems responsibly and keeps you within legal and ethical boundaries.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.